I am standing in one of the oldest forests in the country. A forest home to thousands of different species, some of them so rare they are completely unknown to modern science. Today, we are on the difficult mission of finding the rarest animal of them all. Perhaps even the rarest creature of the entire world, the bouncer. Recent reports indicate that a female bouncer lives in this very forest. Just a rumor? Well, if it isn't, we will make sure to be the first ones to spot it. This is amazing nature.
The bouncer is indeed a strange creature. No photographs have ever been taken of this extraordinary animal. According to various sources, it has pointy ears and its shape is that of a cube, looking just like a black box. The bouncer uses a highly sophisticated defense mechanism when exposed to danger. It can camouflage itself by imitating the background, like a chameleon. The bouncer was last seen during early 19th century. During the Napoleonic Wars, a British vessel called the Weasel happened to spot a bouncer outside the coast of northern France. Captain Jonathan Paddington Bryce recalls, "At first it looked like a black painted wooden box on the shore. When it moved, I realized it was alive. Oh God, it was an animal."
This is the rumored location of the bouncer. No sign at all so far. The bouncer's ability to imitate the background makes it very hard to spot. Patience is a virtue.
The search went on the entire evening. With no luck at all, hope was beginning to fade. After several hours in the forest, the crew were just about to give up the search. Then suddenly, Clark, the cameraman, spots something.
I think I saw it.
What? Where?
If Clark is right, there is no time to lose.
There it is! There! Over there! I see it, over there! There it is, you see? Oh, wow, this is amazing! A bouncer! How exciting! We have just seen a bouncer in real life. Look at its unique cube-formed body. Amazing! Ladies and gentlemen, we are probably the first ones to spot a bouncer in at least 100 years. Amazing! What an extraordinary animal this is. Now, look what happens when it responds to a supposed danger. Oh wow! Look at its amazing ability to blend in with the environment. A perfect protection. Now we can hardly see it. Extraordinary animal. Wow!